Today we're going over to the west bank of the Nile. We'll see the Mortuary Temple of Hatshepsut and also the Valley of the Kings. Something interesting we just saw in our room here in Luxor. In the corner of the ceiling, it has an arrow that points to Mecca. We're visiting the Colossi of Memnon. We'll visit the Valley of the Kings. And I can never say the other one.
Hatshepsut.
Hatshepsut. Very good.
Hot chicken soup.
Yes, the hot chicken soup. Today we have our same tour guide. We're very happy.
Thank you.
Very
Waiting
happy
for you to come.
Yes.
Please do it.
So beautiful. Come to Egypt.
Please.
That's the Temple of Hatshepsut.
Hatshepsut.
Hatshepsut. Beautiful place.
Hatshepsut.
Hatshepsut. Hot chicken soup, they make a joke. Hatshepsut. Beautiful. The colors there, fantastic. Even colors that have been in the sun for 3,500 years are still vivid. It's an amazing place. She did great work here. And also the Polish archeologists who are continuing to work here on the restoration have done excellent work and continue to do so.